Before wrapping up, I'd like to show you how to use a tool called Corner Xpert. Here I have a simple L-shaped block with a couple constant radius fillets along the edges of the block. Since SolidWorks is a history-based modeler, the order in which you apply the fillets will affect what the end result here looks like. To make this easier for the designers, SolidWorks created the Corner Xpert to help you visually choose the end result without having to think about the order the fillets are applied in. Let's take a look. I'll launch the Fillet Xpert again and click on the Corners tab. In order to create a corner fillet, you must select a corner face where 3 filleted edges meet at a single vertex or point. However, there are a couple rules to this, which I'll explain in a moment. For now, I'll select this corner here. With the corner face selected, I can click the Show Alternatives button, and the Corner Xpert shows me previews for how this corner can be created. The previews make it easy to graphically choose the result I want, without having to think about the correct order you'd need to apply the features in order to create it. I'll choose one of the previews, and the corner is done. The Copy Targets box lets you quickly copy the corner fillet settings to other similar corners of your model. I'll select the corner that I want to copy in the Corner Faces box. Next, I'll click in the Copy Target selection box to activate it. The Enable Highlighting checkbox will highlight all the compatible corners in the graphics area. I'll select the opposite corner on the model as the destination face, and I'll click the Copy To button to copy the corner settings. You can see that the Corner Xpert makes it easy to visualize the end result of your fillets without having to think about how they're ordered in the Feature Manager tree. But as I mentioned earlier, there are some tricks to using it. You might notice that not every corner is selectable with the Corner Xpert. If I try to select this corner, you can see from the cursor feedback that the Corner Xpert won't let me. In order to use the Corner Xpert, the fillets must have different convexities. There are really 2 classes of fillets. Some fillets that add material and some fillets that remove material. These are sometimes referred to as internal versus external fillets, concave versus convex fillets, or fillets versus round. For this corner, notice that the fillets are all rounded outward. However, the corner we selected earlier worked because it has a mix of internal and external fillets meeting at the same point.